Want to speak real Russian from your first lesson? Sign up for your free lifetime account at RussianPod101.com.
Извините. I'm sorry. Excuse me. Извините. I'm sorry and excuse me. If you say I'm sorry, you can say извините, like you're really sorry about something you've done. But you can say excuse me, like you stepped on somebody's foot in a train. You can say ой, извините. Хорошо. Good. Okay. Хорошо. Okay. Good. When somebody asks you how are you doing, как дела, you can say хорошо, спасибо. I'm good, thank you. Помогите. Help. Помогите. Someone. Help, help, help me, somebody. Помогите. For example, if you're a big forest and you don't know your way out, so you have to shout to let people hear you. So you're like, помогите. But it's really a rare situation. I hope you won't be in it. Да. Yes. Да. Yes. Russian people say a lot. Да, 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 да. Yes, 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 yes. I agree. Да, да, да. Нет. No. Нет. No. Нет. Would you like to go to dinner with me? No. Нет. Сидеть. To sit. Сидеть. Sit. I don't like to sit. Я не люблю сидеть. For example, if you say I don't like to sit on one spot, literally it means я не люблю сидеть на одном месте, which means you like to move a lot and like to do different things and have a lot of things to do. Кушать. To eat. What do you like to eat? Что ты любишь кушать? Что ты любишь кушать? Иметь. To have. Иметь. To have. Я имею 3 собаки. I have 3 dogs. Делать. To do. I can do this. Я могу это сделать. Я могу, which means I can do. For example, you're doing your homework, so you can say я делаю домашнее задание. Literally, I'm doing my homework right now. What are you doing today? Что ты сегодня делаешь? Взять. To take. Взять. To take. Я могу тебя взять с собой. I can take you with me. Друг. Friend. Hello, my friend. Здравствуй, мой дорогой друг. Дом. Home. Welcome to my home. Добро пожаловать в мой дом. Добро пожаловать в мой дом. Слово. Word. Pay attention to which word you're using. Смотри за словами. Смотри за словами. Maybe it's not very literal translation, but it means watch your mouth or something like that. Место. Place. Okay, let's pick the place for meeting. Давай выберем место для встречи. Давай выберем место для встречи. That's a great place to have a cup of tea. Это отличное место для чашечки кофе. Лицо. Face. Face. Лицо. Your face looks familiar. Твое лицо мне знакомо. Твое лицо мне знакомо. Страшный. Scary. Does it look like scary? This movie is so scary. Этот фильм очень страшный. I shouldn't say it with a smile on my face, but большой. Big. Big. I love watching большой балет. You know? You cannot say it's big ballet. Literally, the people who likes ballet, they know that there is a very famous ballet in Moscow, which is called Большой ballet. Большой балет. So you cannot translate it as a big ballet. You have to still say it большой балет. Okay? Let's go watch большой балет. For example, bring me that big basket. Принеси мне эту большую корзину. Принеси мне ту большую корзину. Быстрый. Fast. Быстрый. Fast and quick is the same. In Russian is быстрый. Run as fast as you can. Беги так быстро, как только можешь. Беги так быстро, как только можешь. Sometimes when the people want to rush you and do something really quick, they can tell you, быстро, быстро. Like quick, quick, fast, fast, move, you know. Быстро, быстро. Move your legs. Медленный. Slow. Медленный. Why are you so slow? Почему ты такой медленный? Простой. Simple. It's not that simple. Все не так просто. I like this skirt. It's very simple. Мне нравится эта юбка. Она очень простая. Дорогая. Darling. As the word darling, you can say when you are referring to someone as your girlfriend or your dearest friend who is female, your mother, your sister. One is for your girlfriend and one is just for dearest woman in your life. It doesn't mean you are dating your mother, which is awkward. I mean, darling, could you pass me the bread? So, дорогая, подай, пожалуйста, хлеб. Есть. To eat. Что у вас есть поесть? What do you have to eat? So in Russian language it could be confusing because есть, to have something, and есть, to eat something, has a similar pronunciation. So be careful. I guess our fans are worried about eating. It's very important in Russia, yes. So жили-были. Once upon a time. So, well, it's used only in fairy tales. As soon as fairy tale story starts, you will always see once upon a time, жили-были grandmother and grandpa. And they had a cute baby, whatever. Здравствуйте. Hello. Здравствуйте. Hello, everyone. Every time you see someone you don't know, you just say здравствуйте. Or здравствуйте. Колокол. The bell. So it's big bell. Колокол. So you ring the bell for religious people to come to church, or you ring the bell when something is wrong so people can hide in the church in old times. Now I'm not sure if we still do that, but maybe some churches still do that. So yes, the bell. Ring the bell. Позвонить в колокол. Всплыть. Come out to the surface. Всплыть. Всплыть. I bet you can't say that. I guess what's difficult about this sound is that V and S come together, one after the other. Всплыть. Because плыть is swimming or floating. So something comes out from inside the water to the top, to the surface. So всплыть. Всплыть. Okay? Now you can say this word. Днем. In the afternoon. Well, here you have a hard D changing with the soft yo, so it sounds like днем. I prefer having my breakfast in the early afternoon. Я предпочитаю завтракать рано днем. Достопримечательность. Attraction. Достопримечательность. For example, when you're going to Paris or somewhere, you can see many different tourist attractions. Let's make a sentence. Eiffel Tower is one of the tourist attractions. Эйфелевая башня – одна из туристических достопримечательностей. Кремль – главная туристическая достопримечательность Москвы. Kreml is the main tourist attractions in Moscow. Did it sound too long? Well, sorry, that's Russian, guys. Ёжик. Hedgehog. Ёжик. Ёжик. Этот ёжик такой милый. This hedgehog is so cute. Здравствуйте. Hello. Здравствуйте. Actually, in the middle of this word, there's a letter V. You can see in the writing form, but when you say it, it disappears. So instead of здравствуйте, we just say Здравствуйте. When you see someone for the first time or someone you don't know, you can say Здравствуйте. Меня зовут Катя. Hello, my name is Katya.
Want to speed up your language learning? Take your very first lesson with us. You'll start speaking in minutes and master real conversations. Sign up for your free lifetime account. Just click the link in the description.